that is a keeper. Sorry about all the noise, but hey, I'm here at the tear out. I think I'm allowed here. There's no sign saying that I can't be here. Anyway, I'll go ahead and show you. Not first signal, to be honest, but I got too much stuff around. There is so much metal here in the ground. Well, I don't know if that's showing up on there, but first one, already found it, wiped it out. Hell yeah. Clean too, man. This is gonna be some good ground. There's houses on top of here. They tore out like a dozen houses, and the store I'll show you behind, but yeah, there's my first coin. Nice weedy. Anyway, I know that's upside down, but hey, 1942. Yeah, this is a great site. I'll show you again. Although I don't want to be showing this because I imagine other people will show up. But I'll be here tonight, today, tonight, tomorrow. I'm not even sure if that's my target. I'm getting a signal right there. It was saying it was deeper, but nope, that's a penny. Oh yeah. Let's see if it's a wheat. Ugh, I can't tell. Definitely a Lincoln. I want to guess it's a wheat. I'm gonna take it over to the car. We're live. That's okay. Okay. Back to the car. After a few choice words, we'll edit that out. I'm trying to figure out what that is, though. Can you figure what that is? Good, it's a penny, dumbass. JD. I like the numbers. Tone's pretty bright. That is right there. Solid 31, 32. I'm going to dig this live. Did you see how deep that was? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, that looks shiny as a mother bear. Oh yeah. Oh, this has got to be. Look at that color. Okay, stop getting so excited. 19. Is that 61? 61, I believe. 1961. Yeah, baby. We're gonna keep doing this all day long. Could be garbage, but hey, who knows what's here. I want to put my gloves back on, but I'm trying to do this one-handed. Muddy, goopy mess, but it's worth it. Oh man. Oh, there it is, right there. You see it? See it? Did I flip that out, or was that on the surface? Let's take a look here. I bet it's another weedy. I gotta go over to the car. I can't see it. Definitely a Lincoln. I can't see the back though. See if it's even a weedy. Yeah, I think I can see it now. Hold on. Try with my other hand. Let's just go to my jeans. That's what Levi's are made for, right? Yeah, it's definitely a wheat. I can make that out. I'll take it back to the car, clean it up, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'm gonna be here all bloody day. Did the hole. Still good. Oh, there we go. Is that clad? I think that's clad. Oh no, that's silver. Heck yeah. It's a rosy. Look at the edge. Clean that up. Grab my magnifying glass. That's what I got here. 1959. It's another that's showing up. 1959. It's a rosy. You see that? Beauty. That's a good looker too. And we're back. Back to the tear out. Day 2. Wish me some luck. Bam. Let's do this. Said day 2. Change your jacket. Get into something warmer. And see that crap? That's where I'm going. It's muddy, but it's worth it. Noise cancellation. Today I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run Park 1 multi-frequency. If it gets hairy, I'll switch over to my favorite 10. 3 for my speed. Good enough. Let's get to, oh, I'll ground balance and I'll get to detecting. I lost my signal. Wish there was a nail in there. No, there's still got to be something here. Where you go? Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there. What do we got here? It's dark. I'm gonna guess it's a wheat though. I'm gonna guess. Hold on, I'll wash it off in the mud puddle. And my pants. Oh yeah. Well, that's got some cool toning to it. Look at that. I don't know if that's showing up. There's some purple. I mean, besides the green. Let's see what year this is. Let's see if I can make this out with my eyes. Oh, look at that toning. I can't see that. I got to take it back to the car, put it under the magnifying glass. But, yep. Another beautiful wheat. Sweet! I'm loving this spot. Okay, I'm getting numbers all over the place, but you already see, you can look down here. I see silver already. Or what I'm banking on is silver. Already rubbed that off. I don't want to scratch it. Don't judge. Oh yeah. That is, well, that's sweet. I'm gonna grab my magnifying glass. Is that chip? No. Sorry about the noise, but yeah, I'm next to a busy road. I'll wash it better. I'm just gonna get a date off this one. That is a 42. I don't want to give it up. Yeah, I don't know if that's showing up, but that is a 42 Rosy. I can see some detail in the wings here. some of the bands. That ain't a slick, man. That's nice. I'll give you a mint mark and stuff when I get home. Sweet. Yep. I've got a crazy mix because I am by pipes and everything else, but I've already peeked in here. And look at that. That's definitely a silver dime, quarter. I don't want to ding it. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh buddy. Oh man. That's a half. That's my first silver half. Oh, I'm gonna wash this mud puddle. Why didn't we bring water today? I don't want to do this. You guys don't flip me crap for doing this. $1945. That's what I'm seeing, 1945. Hold on one second. Oh my God. Don't get excited. Oh my God. I don't know if that's showing up. I believe that's, let me take a look. I'm gonna take a look. Just trying to get it on the camera for you guys if it's showing up. That's 1945. That is sweet. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That right there is the oldest silver $50 I've ever dug. That is a keeper. Nice 30. Well, it was nice. And there's so much, I'll keep saying it, there's so much junk here. That's solid, I'm digging it. It's deep. Stay with me. I don't even know if this is my initial target, seriously. Well, we get something in the softball. And that's a rusty nail, so that was not at all my target. I was getting a solid. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I can see it. Can you see it? Oh yeah, it's another merc. Mud puddle. Follow me on mud puddle. All right. We've got, I gotta find my magnifying glass. It's like another beautiful mercury. Let me look. Yes, that's a 1943 mercury in really good condition. I will clean it up and I'll show you in the wrap up when we get home tonight. Great. I think that's number 5. Number 5 from this hole, from this spot. Awesome. And time for a quick wrap up. It was a interesting hunt. Over 13, probably maybe even over 14 hours. Nice spot though, City of Kelso. Pulled that down. I believe they're widening the lanes to get to the bridge from Longview to Kelso. You guys can come on down and hunt, I guess, now. I'll probably go back there next week. And whole idea is I said you can come down. That doesn't mean the City of Kelso said you can come down there and hunt. But it's a nice place, and obviously there is silver. Amazing. I was looking for vintage jewelry. Always looking for silver and gold, but let's just go over quickly what I did find there. You saw how the camera angle is on that. But that 1945 walking half, yeah, that's, well, my oldest half. $50 so far, that's silver. Of course, a nice couple of rosies, or excuse me, I even say that in the video. A couple nice Mercs, 42 and a 43. That 59 Roosevelt, Rosie, and the 61 quarter. Thank you, George. I did hit 7 wheats, ranging anywhere from, what was it, 1920. I kind of like that. I'm sure that's not showing up, but 1920 hit that 101 year. I always love finding coins that are over 100 years old. All the way up to 58. There's a 36 in there. I didn't show all the pictures of the wheat cents because obviously the video is going to run too long and I had too many other good finds amongst all the trash that was there. I'd swing my coil. I would have 3 to 5 signals underneath an 11-inch coil. And there's still plenty there. Like I said, I welcome you all down there. That does not mean that the City of Kelso is welcoming you down there. Beautiful location, though. Like I said, they took out 14 houses and 1 store to widen the lanes, I believe, heading to the bridge. The houses there were built before 1900 and up to 1920. You saw some pictures I added at the beginning of the video. Anyway, that is my wrap-up of what I found this weekend. It was successful. I had a pretty good time. As you saw, it was muddy, it was sloppy. And it was cold out there. It rained quite a bit, but this is it's what I do. I love to do it. This is my addiction, metal detecting. So if you guys want to come on down, remember, don't say that Metal AF sent you down. Anyway, on the wheats here, like this is 1948. I have to hold it up at a side. I believe it's a 48S just to barely read it. This one here is it is so roached out that I can't even pull a year or a date off it, let alone a mint. I can't make a mint out of it where it's from, but that's besides the point. Anyway, again, thank you for watching the video. I don't ask for subscribers. I'm happy with the ones I got. If you like what you see, go ahead and comment down below, and if you like the content that I put out there, go ahead and subscribe. If you don't subscribe. I don't ask really for subscribers. I'm happy with the loyal ones that I have for right now. What we do have, getting close to those 400 subscribers, so I probably will be doing a bunch of silver, big giveaway for 400. That's coming up really soon, as you can tell by my numbers. I'm not bragging about that. And again, I am not asking for subscribers, and I'd hate to think that you actually subscribe just for a giveaway to get some free silver. But if you enjoy the content, please go ahead, sign up, subscribe, hit that like, notifications, and we'll see you again. This is Metal AF next weekend, or maybe sooner. There's a lot of things that I didn't film for this video. Bottle collecting, yeah. 29 antique bottles, relics. It's just the video got so long that I wasn't going to shoot it. Or I wasn't going to show it in this video. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. Metal AF. We're out. Love y'all. Bye.